until we're spinning around paper hearts in summer wind. We swore it would never end. Chalk lines fading on the wall, dreams too big, we tried them all. Every scar a story told, every dare felt brave and bold. We were chasing colors that would never stay. Still we painted anyway. Hey, those lemon days, they tasted wild and free. Every laugh, every fall, a memory. Even if they fade away someday, I'll still smile for those lemon days. Late night calls that made us blush, secret notes and gentle hush, hearts that bloomed and flew apart. Still they glow inside my heart. Time keeps running, we can't hold it tight, but it still feels so right. Hey, those lemon days, so bittersweet and true. Every dream was shining next to you. Even when the colors start to stray, I'll keep dancing through those lemon days. Yes, we were running with the breeze, never knowing what we'd need. All the tears and all the cheers are the songs that brought us here. Hey, those lemon days, they taught me how to be all the joy and